Shadows of the past, in the dust I see your voice, a signal from beyond the night, a frequency burning like ultraviolet. And I'm running through the storms you made. We left our hearts in the sun's decay. Static whispers in the cosmic haze, but your love still remains unafraid. As it rain on Mars, but I'm still holding you. Even if the sky falls red, even if the world feels new, we were born for the fire, born for the stars. This love survives. As it rain on Mars, as it rain on Mars. As it rain on Mars. Your hands like comets, burning through my chest. In the universe broken, we were the rest. Metal sky screaming, planets realign, but somehow your light is still touching mine. And I'm running through the storms we made. We left our hearts in the sun's decay. Static whispers in the cosmic haze, but your love still remains unafraid. As it rain on Mars, and still holding you. Even if the sky falls red, even if the world feels blue, we were born for the fire, born for the stars. This love survives. As it rain on Mars, as it rain on Mars. Piano keys. If the galaxy forgets our name, we'll burn it back into the flame. Because love like this cannot erase, even when the skies corrode away. As it rain, red skies remain. But you and I